Well, we're back on this Tesla, and yes, it appears they lost the sticker for the charge amount. And unfortunately, the Max mobile app is down right now for, I guess they're revamping it or finding new members, and they're gonna improve it. And so I put a call into MACS to see if they have the specs on this particular year, make, model vehicle. And so I could charge it back up. So change out the condenser. The shop spent 20 minutes on hold trying to call Tesla to see if they could get, but they're not Tesla approved. Finally, it went over to parts, and then the person was asking, they didn't even know about refrigerant quantity or quality, put me over to somebody else. And then I explained to him, I want the refrigerant capacity. That's all I want. He says, oh no, if you're not the owner, I got to talk directly to the owner, and or we can't explain any procedures to you. I go, I don't want procedures. I just want capacity, like cooling capacity, oil capacity. I want the refrigerant capacity. And they put me in a transfer, and then a phone hang up. And so this is the problem what shops and owners experience. If you try to buy parts, you're not Tesla approved. And even a simple thing like capacity, they don't want to help you. It's like having an iPhone. You got a new iPhone, and you want to know how to repair a piece. You want to buy a piece. They won't sell it to you. They'll say, well, we'll gladly sell you a new phone, but we'll say that 15-cent or $15 piece is not available, but we'll sell you a new $1,000 phone. You could come to our shop, but we're all filled and we can't service you for 4 months, 3 months, 4 weeks, whatever it is. This is how Tesla operates. And they hire people with zero automotive experience, and they don't know what you're talking about. That's the other problem with Tesla. And the people who run the service often, yes, they came from like companies. They were managers, service, and tech or something like that, but they really don't know what they're doing until after they made a whole lot of mistakes to move up the chain. And knowing a few Tesla employees who went through the burnout procedures of management in tech support or as techs or service writers, service managers, I really understand how screwed up this company is when the reason why they can't service their customers' cars. And yeah, it's just a cluster F is what I could say. But I like the car. That's all I got to say. I like the car, but the company's methods have a lot to be desired. All right, see you guys.